Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon risotto updated. Start by heating 2 tablespoons olive oil in a wide pan and gently sweat 1 small onion until translucent. Toast 1/2 cups arborio rice for 2 minutes, stirring constantly. Add 1/2 cup white wine and let it absorb. Gradually add warm stock, 1 ladle at a time, stirring until creamy. Fold in cooked salmon and finish with lemon zest and butter. Gather these ingredients before you start. 1/2 cups arborio rice, 1 lb salmon, 1 small onion, 1/2 cup white wine, and about 4 cups warm stock. Also have 2 tablespoon butter, 2 tablespoon olive oil, lemon, parsley, and salt and pepper ready. Cold or room temperature salmon works, but cooking separately yields better texture. Keep stock warm on the stove so each ladle keeps the rice cooking steadily and timing. Begin by softening the onion in olive oil, then add arborio rice and toast briefly until edges are translucent. Deglaze with 1/2 cup white wine and let it reduce until nearly evaporated. Add 1 ladle of warm stock at a time, stirring and waiting until mostly absorbed before the next ladle. Continue for about 18 minutes until rice is al dente and creamy. Fold in flaked salmon, a knob of butter, lemon juice, and fresh parsley.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.